Good day, everyone. My name is Genevieve Onyanuna. Today's voiceover presentation is on supporting health promotion campaign DMP 705. My topic is on improving the quality of life for patients with schizophrenia. Introduction of topic: improving the quality of life of patients with schizophrenia. Schizophrenia is a chronic and severe mental disorder that affects how a person thinks, feels, and behaves. People with schizophrenia may seem like they have lost touch with reality. The signs and symptoms can be very disabling. It ranges from hallucination, delusion, thought disorders, which is dysfunctional ways of thinking, movement disorders, which is agitated body movements, flat affect, which is reduced expression of emotions via facial expression or voice tone, reduced feeling of pleasure in everyday life, difficulty beginning and sustaining activities, and also reduced speaking. The prevalence of readmission of patients with schizophrenia in the US is approximately 1.1% of the population, with the overall health cost of treatment estimated as 62.7 billion yearly. Schizophrenia is one of the top 15 leading causes of disability worldwide. Individuals with schizophrenia have an increased rate of premature mortality, which is death at a younger age than the general population. The estimated average potential lifespan for individuals with schizophrenia in the US is 28.5 years. Treatment model integrates medications, psychosocial therapies, case management, family involvement, all aimed at reducing symptoms and improving quality of life. Reduction in readmission rates can be achieved through adequate outpatient care by the nurse practitioner and through friends and family showing support, acts of kindness, being respectful to patients, tolerating their inappropriate behavior, and by ensuring that the patient take their medications. This is a poster from the American Psychiatric Association. This poster creates the awareness of the prevalence of schizophrenia and the availability of help that will improve the quality of life of the patient, maintain stability, and enable the patient function well in the community, which will in turn prevent early hospital readmission. This help comes in form of weekly nurse practitioner in-home visit, support from the family and friends, and adherence to medication regimen. This is my created flyer to promote the quality of life of patients with schizophrenia. The purpose of this flyer is to create the awareness of the prevalence of schizophrenia and also to educate the public on how to live a quality life by adhering to medication regimen and participating in care delivery by the mental health provider. With this flyer, I intend to achieve patient health satisfaction, stability, and reduction in early readmission rate through medication compliance. Goals for health promotion campaign. First, for patients to understand the importance of complying with medication regimen. Also, for patients to be 100% compliant with their medication, which in turn reduces relapse. To also reduce early hospital readmission rate by 10%. For patients to be stable in life, enroll in school, and sustain a paid job to keep families together. Thank you so much for listening to my short presentation. The next slide is my references. Thank you, and have a good evening.